your microscope are 4 focus tips which allow for easy magnification at specific points. These tips are a game changer and make your microscope usable for students from 4 to 94. The microsite microscope will focus anywhere between 10 times and 200 times. That's a very large range of magnification. These focus tips serve 2 important purposes. Most importantly, by placing the tip on the specimen or resting it near the specimen, provides the user a steady, clear image. Secondly, the tips allow the user to know exactly the magnification at which the specimen is being viewed. When the specimen is located touching the bottom rim of the focal tip, the pre-calibrated tips will magnify at the labeled magnifications 15, 30, or 50 times. Remember, the curved tip has 2 focus points, 100 times and 200 times. To change tips, simply pop off the tip and replace it with the tip you want to use. The first time you do this, you may have to adjust the LED light slightly inward to allow the tips to pop on and off. Once you do this, you won't have to do it again. We're always here to support you if you have any questions or run into any snags. We pride ourselves on our excellent customer service and availability to you.